In previous videos, we talked about the right shift bitwise operation and we talked about binary numbers. I explained how they work and we went through how every bit in the binary representation corresponds to a power of 2. We discovered that shifting a number by 1 to the right was equal to dividing that number by 2. With left shifting is the opposite. Performing a left shift is equal to multiplying a number by 2. So here, this is the bit representation of the decimal number 74. When we shift it to the left by 1 position, we add a 0 here and then the excess bits on the left get discarded. So this 0 here from the original number gets discarded and this sequence here 1001 and then 010 appears here directly from the beginning. So we add this 0 and this number here is now equal to 148 because we have 128 plus 16 which is 144 plus 4 which is 148. But this number here is the double of this original number. So 74 times 2 is 148 and that is the same thing as performing a left shift on this number. This is the same thing for both odd numbers and even numbers. So this was an even number. Here I'm making another example with the number 25 which is an odd number, and this here is the bit representation. I am performing a left shift and I'm shifting that number by 3 positions at once and I get 200. To understand what is happening here, let's say that the number of left shifts corresponds to I. So I here is 3, meaning that we're going to perform a left shift on this original number by 3 positions. It's the same thing as saying 25 times 2 times 2 times 2, and that is equal to 25 times 2 which is 50 times 2 that is 100 times 2 that is 200. So this is the same thing as saying 25 times 2 to the power of 3 which is 200, meaning that for any number we can call that number n. The formula is going to be as follows: n times 2 to the power of I, and I here can be anything. It's basically the number of left shifts that we perform on the original number. So that's the formula for left shifts. In the next video, we're going to look at the code and see how we can perform left shift bitwise operations in C++.